welcome to Advert Academy. In previous two lessons, we've talked about the definition of offer and where to find the offer. So the next question is, there are thousands of offers, how to choose it? I believe some of us have been in a situation that you get an offer, find its corresponding affiliate network, then register the traffic platform, build your own advertising and landing pages, buy clicks to get your product in front of as much customers as possible. You may have put amount of time and effort. It still seems that your hard work didn't bring much effect. One of the biggest reasons is that you didn't pick the offer wisely. If you cannot find the right product to support, you will not make much profit. That's why you should be aware of which product to promote. First, ask yourself what topic interests you. Maybe you like casino, education, diet, fashion, or skincare. The odds are good that your interested area has affiliate programs. No matter what network you join, the offers are incalculably that you can't take all of them. Keep an open mind to pick the profitable offer. Affiliate who promotes dating service wouldn't pay attention on others, even if they make a huge profit. Settle into one field can help you identify your competence and strengths. Focus on owning a specific field can also help you deal with the information overload and makes the working process less onerous. Limit your range of offer would help you find the most potential profitable offer. This reflects why information is so important. No one can keep track of all the appropriate information for vertical, and each vertical has hundreds of offers. It is impossible to do it. In short, we must forget our identity of affiliates. We're the market researcher. Before choosing an offer, we definitely need to figure out the indicators of the offer and carefully analyze its quality. Get a high-quality offer is not easy, so today I'll show you guys how to analyze offer indicators and ways to get quality offers. We would usually notice its price, region, page, product, and conversion mode when we see an offer, but every point had its own attention and assessment. We can analyze whether the product can reach the expected price from all those basic information. When you choose an offer, you need to find its profit point. Here are some judgment methods. First, refer to a current campaign. Is it profitable? If not, then ask yourself, what made me think such a campaign can be profitable? Learn from your failures. Second, the only reason which can be accepted is because I verified it. If you haven't verified that your campaign is profitable, you must turn it off and look for another one which has been proved it's valid. Third, if you are testing an unverified offer and it results in suffer a loss, just give it up. You must cut loss in the time and don't be afraid of to start over. Here are 3 ways to verify that offer has the marketability. How does it works? Does it runs on all-in-one traffic and other details? First, spy tool. Second, pop-up website. Third, seek advice from your responsible AM. Don't be afraid of competition. Competition is the way good for you, and the fact is that the more people run the same offer at the same time, the more stable the offer is. Come on, be positive. All you have to do is make it work on your campaign either. Learn from others who already make it successful. Their excellent advertising ideas are very useful to you. It can reduce your risk. You know what? You don't need to be the first one, but you can standing on the shoulders of the giants. It's easier for you to achieve more. This also means that you just need to spend a little time on creatives when configuring options. So, in simple terms, find offers which has been verified. Be a copycat. Try latest ideas of this industry to see if it works for you. Test, test, test to see if I can make a profit by optimizing it. If a valid offer falls, at least you know the reason. Failure is just a passing to the final success. If you didn't take the action, it will always be a black hole. Fail over and over. That's horrible. So please remember to set up your campaign and spend some time looking for an offer that has already been verified. Then follow this style, use the same traffic platform of the same aliens. Also, you can use the same ads and landing page as a starting point. You can see the conversion soon in most cases. Some campaigns will bring you a profit at once. If it breaks even or a little negative return, you have to optimize it. Then bring it to a bigger profit point. This is the most important course for all Navis affiliates. Your first pot of gold probably doesn't come from an original model, but comes from following the correct trend that has been formed. Not only you, it allows us to learn from historical lessons and prevents us from making similar mistakes and avoids the twists and turns. It is difficult to predict the future variables, and we absolutely have no energy to understand every detail of each offer. So if your AM can tell you which offer convert better directly, would save you much time and energy. And if the advertiser can tell you the different behavior of the offer among the different operating systems would be great too. An important factor in achieving success of promoting mobile internet offers is timing. The quicker, the winner. Sounds simple while it's not. The industry is full of controversy. Offers are constantly being delivered into your inbox. Learning to communicate with AM and advertisers to build important relationships will help you get more useful information. In order to stabilize the connection, you have to get at least 20% of your working time, and this is only half of the battle. The other half will require you to integrate into this circle, build your own network of relationships, learn about the latest trends of the industry, and the dynamics of your opponents. Join some Skype group or forums, share insights with each other, find the affiliates who would willing to work together with you. To know more about each other's situation, I personally think talk to people with experience one-on-one is the best. So it is recommended to participate in industry gatherings or other activities that affiliates like. If you want to have good luck when communicating with other experienced affiliates, you must have a good bullshit-o-meter. Just ask questions in an exploratory manner and never abandon your cynicism. You don't need to be embarrassed by asking stupid questions. This will only stop you, but nothing can stop you making money, isn't it? I believe you would learn a lot and get more effective information from the communication. I have to stress once again that don't act blind. Always remember, communication is the key to effective affiliate relationships. Thank you so much for watching. Next time we're going to discuss about the traffic. Please subscribe us if you don't want to miss anything.